this window right here won't roll all the way up. And if you can actually see here, it still has a little bit left to go. Now it does have the, what I think it's called the pinch point. It just won't go all the way up to here. So it stops right about here. I think it just needs to be That says E93. So this is obviously an E92. So that's a coupe version. All that glass. So this window, driver's door window, has clearly been replaced. Welcome back to Autorators. I finally have a chance to work on this thing. And just taking the door card apart, I have researched everything online I possibly could to figure out why that would not shut all the way. Effectively, what I'm trying to replicate is this passenger side where you see the window is nice and flush, there's a good overlap, and this is closed all the way. So when I open the door, it has that soft close right there, the pinch points, whatever it's called. So, but the driver door would be short about a 1/4 inch, and here we are trying to figure it out. So first steps first, again, I did not find anything online, any forums, Facebook groups, nothing. There are plenty of videos on how to remove the door card, so I'm not gonna go through that. But the fix and the solution it has nothing to do with the learning and the programming of the window switch. It has to do with physically adjusting these bolts. So all I'm gonna say is, to fix this problem, if you're facing this problem, loosen up this bolt right here. Keep in mind, this is actually clockwise to loosen, counterclockwise to tighten. Then you're gonna go in here, and it is you're gonna loosen up this bolt right here, but you have to do it from the back side. So this is an 8mm wrench. There's going to be a bolt on the back side. To loosen it up, it is actually clockwise. So you're going to be, sorry, it's hard to do with one hand and a camera, please be careful whenever you're putting any sort of weight on this. You're going to see this plastic, so use two hands, it's going to flex on you, and certainly don't want to break these tabs, otherwise you're replacing the window regulator, so don't want to do that. But you loosen this up, and you see how this bolt is now sitting halfway. Basically what ended up happening is I slid the window up. You could see where the marks are after the shop replaced the window. They put it all the way down at the bottom here. You can't see it, but they put this one all the way down as well. So loosen both sides, and you literally just go ahead and pick up on the window. So you could see on this one how much I had to raise it, which is basically how much it would not close by. So that kind of clean spot right there. So literally just raised it up. This one here, again, raised it up by just because now, again, it's in the middle. And let's go ahead, and I think it's spaced properly. I did have to mess with it just a little bit to, again, close the window, see how far it rolls up. Then open the window, see what the kind of the pinch point, kind of how far it rolls back down, make sure the overlap is good with the rear window. But yeah, this is your actual fix. It requires taking the door card apart instead of trying to learn the window switch position. Okay, so here we are. All I did is just plug the door back in, put the key in, and rolled the window up as much as I could. You got to keep in mind, this is where it stopped when the door was closed. This is as high as it would go. So let's see what happens when we close the door. Couldn't lock the door. It is now closed all the way. Look at that. So, want to confirm, like I said, what the overlap here is. It looks pretty good. And as a reference point, we're gonna go back to this side. It looks pretty darn good. So that's my fix. Should made up with a convertible top and seal this nice and tight again so no water gets in, and we are good to go. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. If you didn't like, you can give me a thumbs down, but I truly hope that this helps somebody out, because I spent hours searching online trying to find out how to fix this issue. Y'all have a good night.